I have here a prototype, a custom Trackmaster prototype made out of basswood. This is designed for Trackmaster Tomy models and is based of basswood, laser cut by the X-Tool M1 machine. Really amazing model. So it is not available yet, and it will be sold as a kit. That means that it needs assemble, painting. Here we have some parts. I'll show you later how the process. So this will be in the next couple of days, but I just want to show you the model, that it looks really good, looking very nice. I can make it out of vinyl, but I think in basswood it's really good. It's amazing. Like I say, it's press fit, exact fit. I would say press fit. Just press it and it stays in place. This is gonna be amazing on your layout. Great for Trackmaster.